So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom app icon for any app on the iPhone in iOS 14. But before I get started, I ask that you make sure that you're watching this on an iPhone in portrait mode for the best user experience. Also, to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and even if you don't like this video, you can dislike it, that's all right. I won't have any hard feelings. Also, any questions or comments that you may have about this video or about iOS 14 in general, please leave them down below in the comments section. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So what you need to do is you need to make sure you have the Shortcuts app installed on your phone. It has been a native app in iOS for a couple of versions now, but if you're like me, you've deleted it and you're having to reinstall it because you're doing a YouTube tutorial on how to make custom icons. So with that being said, we want to move the app to its own screen. So we just long hold on the background there to get the icon's famous jiggly or wriggly, jiggly, whatever you want to call it, and then we drag and we push that to its own screen. Then what we want to do is we want to disable any other pages that we have on the home screen, and we do that by clicking on the dots down the bottom there, and this brings up this new feature in iOS 14 called Edit Pages, and we're going to disable these two other pages that we have just by clicking the ticks, and then that removes the pages. We do this because it's like when you download a new app, it's going to go to the next available slot, so the shortcut's exactly the same. So next, what we want to do is we want to click on the Shortcuts app. And if this is your first time, you won't see any of these in here. These are just ones that I've created previously. And then we click on the plus icon to create a new shortcut, add action. And then up the top there, we want to search for open app. And this is essentially creating an action to open the app. We're going to add the YouTube app to our custom icons. Click next, give it a shortcut name. It can be whatever you want it to be. It doesn't have to be the name of the app. Click on the icon and we're going to change the colors. Click on the glyph that you want, click done, done. And then what we want to do to add it to the home screen is click on the three dots on that particular shortcut. Click on the three dots again on the top right. And then add to home screen. So for now, I'm just going to add this shortcut. So it's now added to the home screen. If I click on that app, it will then open up the app that we have. And Mr. Elon Musk, if you are watching this, I will have a Tesla. Hopefully your annual shareholder meeting will go well. So if we go back into Shortcuts, we click on the three dots again because we're going to change the actual icon to a custom icon. Back to home screen, click on the icon next to the word YouTube. Now we have three options here. We can take a photo, choose a photo, or choose a file. Personally, I've put all mine in choose a file so I don't inundate the Photos app with a whole bunch of icons. And if I accidentally delete those icons from the photo library, there's an off chance that they remove themselves from the app shortcut itself. So we click on choose file. And I have a whole bunch of icons that I've already pre-selected and added to my iCloud drive. So I'm going to go into plasticine and then I'm going to go and add my play button. As you can see, the icon is now updated. We click add. Go back to our home screen and then there is two apps, the new one that has our custom icon and then the original one that we created, and the shortcut works fine. And then if you choose to, you can go and choose to delete the whatever one you want by just holding it and then deleting the bookmark, and then it will prompt you to delete it. And then what we want to do is we're going to go and create another icon for this particular shortcut. So we just go in there and we follow the same steps as we did before. Go back to the home screen and there is our new app. We've got the same shortcut with two different icons, and you may do this if you want to have a different icon on different days, etc. You can do whatever you want. Next, we'll go and we'll change the background color. So if we click on the three dots again, before we go into add to home screen, we're going to click on the play button icon next to the word YouTube, and then we're going to change the color. So we'll change it to green. And then we'll go add to home screen and then click on the icon next to the word YouTube. Choose file, and then we will go and choose a same icon and then go add, and it's added to our home screen. We now also have two shortcuts that have the same icon but different background. So if I go and long press again, and we're going to go back into edit pages, and I'll show you the screen that I've previously done, and I'll drag this icon across, and these are all the shortcuts that I've already created. So Instagram, Messenger and Netflix, and they all work the same way, and then the camera app does the same thing. Long press, and then now you can delete the Shortcuts app, but you want to move it to the app library. So when we swipe across to the app library, it's still in productivity and finance. So there you go. That's how you go and create a custom app icon in iOS 14. I hope you found this video to be useful. And if you did, please subscribe to the channel, like this video or even dislike it as I said earlier. Leave a question or comment down below in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Hope you have a great day.